ESA JUICE mission was launched today. JUICE stands for JUpiter ICy Moons Explorer and will need about 8 years to reach Jupiter. Launched onboard an Ariane 5 rocket from ESA's Spaceport in Kourou, French Guiana, the spacecraft will enter Jupiter's orbit around January 2030. During the first phase of the mission, which will last about 2.5 years, the magnetosphere and the atmosphere of the giant planet will be studied. The spacecraft hosts 10 instruments on board. Then, the target will restricted to 3 of the 79, yes, 79, moons, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto. One of the most interesting aspects of this mission will be the way the spacecraft will be able to observe such a large number of spots. As it happens in almost all space missions that travel outside of Earth's atmosphere, it will be only partially propelled by chemical fuel. Thanks to the expected 35 flybys with Jupiter's moons, in addition the flybys with Earth and Venus at the beginning of the mission, trajectory will be corrected multiple times, allowing the spacecraft to observe a large number of regions both on Jupiter and on the 3 moons. Due to bad weather conditions, the launch was delayed and today, at 14:14 Central Europe summertime, the spacecraft was finally launched onboard an Ariane 5 rocket from ESA's Spaceport in French Guiana, Kourou. Ariane 5 was the same rocket that launched the James Webb Space Telescope more than 1 year ago. However, while JSWT is already operative, JUICE will be kept in a standby state for all the coasting leg up to Jupiter's orbit, which will be reached by the spacecraft not before that 7.5 years. ESA, with its international partners, is on its way to Jupiter, says ESA Director General Joseph Ashbacher. JUICE's spectacular launch carries with it the vision and ambition of those who conceived the mission decades ago, the skill and passion of everyone who has built this incredible machine, the drive of our flight operations team, and the curiosity of the global science community. Together, we will keep pushing the boundaries of science and exploration in order to answer humankind's biggest questions. During its operative life and partially during the coasting orbital legs, the spacecraft will be kept alive and operative by solar panels. 85 square meters of solar panels are installed. Due to the strong magnetic field of the planet, the polar regions will be explored only for a brief time span, to preserve the scientific instruments from damage. However, these brief flybys will also allow the exploration of the icy surface of Europa that has already revealed some of its features to NASA's Juno mission some months ago. In the following 8 months, Ganymede will be the favorite subject for JUICE's exploration and also the target for the impact of the spacecraft itself, which will mark the end of ESA's JUICE mission. We will talk more about ESA's JUICE mission in the next SpaceInfo newsletters, so if you want to know more and stay current about this mission and other, join the SpaceInfo Club. Membership is free. Don't forget to subscribe to the SpaceInfo YouTube channel and enable notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.